oh na na. Mm. Mm. Aisha, my queen. Hey, hey. From the first day I see your face, my heart know they come. Girl, you be the prayer way I dey pray every dawn. Your smile light up my darkest days. Anytime you call my name, I lose my ways. You be the reason I believe in love again. No be fairy tale, this one a real pain and gain. When the world done cold, you be my flame. Anywhere you dey go, I follow, no shame. If loving you not crime, then baby make them love me for life. Cause every single time you hold my hand, everything align. Aisha, my queen, now you be my crown. When I'm lost, now you they hold me down. From Lagos to Dubai, all around. Baby girl, you be my one and only sound. Aisha, my queen, you they my soul. You my heart, you make me whole. No matter the storm, I know go fall. Forever together till we grow. Late night talks under moonlight. You love this.
Now, for us to be able to create a music video, we need music. But because I'm not a musician, I don't know how to write music. In fact, I don't know how to sing any music. That is why I use Snow AI to create the music I use for the music video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I created the music using Snow AI. And I use ChatGPT to write my music because I don't even know how to write music. I'm not a musician, I'm not an artist. So that is why I use ChatGPT to write my music, and I use Snow AI to create the music for me, and also some AI tools which I use to generate my videos. I'm going to show you how I did the entire everything in this video, and everything is free, so make sure you pay attention. Now let's go dive into it. Let me show you how I create the entire music video for free without paying for any AI tool. Let's get started. So for me to be able to create that music, the first thing I did was to head over to ChatGPT, which helped me to write my music because I'm not a musician. I don't know how to write music. So the first thing I did, I write to ChatGPT. I said, I want you to write me a professional music lyrics about love relationship titled Aisha, my queen. I want it to be Afrobeat music type. Nigeria, I will be using Snow AI to generate the music. Then I give this to ChatGPT, and this is what ChatGPT gave to me. As you can see, title Aisha, my queen, and Afrobeat, and model, as you can see, tempo. So this is the music intro. When you listen to the music, when I play it, you see it. As you can see, say yeah, 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 oh na na na, Aisha, my queen, and verse. From the first day I see your face, my heart on the cam. So he just write the music lyrics for me. So this is the music lyrics, as you can see, with the chorus, with the pre-chorus, everything. And this is the final step, as you can see it here. This is it. Now, the next thing I did was to head over to Google. I head over to Google, and after heading over to Google, I search for Snow AI music, as you can see, and I head over to this place, as you can see, this second one here, and I tap on it. Now, after I click on it like this, it's going to take me to an interface where it will ask me to register. So I've already have account with them before. The next thing I'll do is just to click on sign in, and I'm going to sign in my account, so that I'm going to show you how I generated that music you just listened to a moment ago. Now, the next thing I did was, after, as you can see, say introducing not now, I'll click on not now. Now, after it brings you to an interface like this, you are going to click on music, create music. You can do this with your smartphone, or you can also use your laptop. Yes, you can do this with your laptop, and you can use your smartphone, but I'm using my laptop right now. So the next thing you are going to do, as you can see, you can decided to click on sample here, where you just write your music description only, and Snow AI is going to continue generating your music for you. But for the sake of this video, all I just have to do is just to click on customize here, because I've already have my music lyrics which are generated from ChatGPT. So the next thing I do was to come over to ChatGPT here, and I will be copying my music prompt. As you can see, I will be copying my music prompt that ChatGPT gave to me, the lyrics. I'll copy here from here like this. Let me copy from here down. I'll copy everything. I'll copy everything. You can do this with your smartphone till this place. Now I'll click on copied. Then after clicking on copy, I'll come back to Snow AI. Then I'll paste everything here. After pasting everything, the next thing I'll click on is to click on create music. And when I click on create music, I'll just give it some minutes and it's going to create the music for me. And in Snow AI, you need license for you to get to those music. So if you want to get the music for the license, you need to pay, but it is going to generate the music for you. Immediately you register the account, it's going to generate the music for you for free without paying for anything. But if you need license to that music, you need to pay. So you need to subscribe so that you can upgrade your plan. But they are going to generate the music for you for free. Now, after I click on the generate, it generates two music for me. As you can see, this is the track one and this is the track two. Now, let me play it for you guys so that you guys will see. Now, this is the
Yeah,
music.
yeah. Oh, na,
As
na,
you guys can see.
na. Mm.
So this is the music it generated for us. Now the next thing we are going to do is to just tap on the music, click on this arrow mark here, and we scroll down here where we are going to see download, and you click on download, you take it to MP3 download, and you click on download anyhow, and it's going to download to your phone. You click here and it's going to download to your phone. Then after it's successful download to your phone, you can now listen to your music. Now the next thing I do for me to be able to create that music video, the next thing I did was to head over to ChatGPT again. Now on ChatGPT, this is what I gave to ChatGPT. I said, now I want to create the music video of that music. So I want you to give me image to video prompt I can use to generate the images. I will use the generate the full music video to match the music lyrics and also image to the video prompt to match everything, add the music. Now, because ChatGPT already know the music lyrics, he is the one that write the music lyrics. So that is why I told him to give me prompt which I will use to generate images for the music video and also image to video prompt. Now, this is what ChatGPT gave to me. As you can see, this is what ChatGPT gave to me. It's a music concept, music video concept, Afro Royal Love Story. So as you can see, image to video prompt. As you can see, these are image to video prompt. Use this basic prompt. Then inside, so as you can see, cinematic 4K love music video, Nigerian romantic. So this is the image to video prompt. Now this is the scene. As you can see, this is the scene here. African rising, Lagos City, shine, fountain. As you can see, morning star. So as you guys can see, this is the image prompt, video prompt here, and scrolling down here, you're also going to see uh, how I told charge. These are all the prompt. As you can see, these are all the prompt. Looking down here, these are all the prompt. Now, the next thing I did was to head over to where I generated my images. I have to generate all the images from scene 1 to the last scene. Now, that is where this AI tool come in. This AI tool called Whiskey. This AI tool, I've been using this AI tool for a long period of time now. You can search for the AI tool on your Google Play. So this is where the AI tool come in. Now, the next thing I did was to click on enter, and I start enter, click on enter to here. So where I start generating my images. I have to generate those images one by one so that I can be able to fit in what I need. Now, the first thing I did was go back to ChatGPT again. As you can see, this is the first prompt ChatGPT gave to us here. This is the first prompt, image prompt. So I have to copy here like this. After copied, and I go back to the AI tool again, then I'll paste it here. After pasting it, I select my ratio. I want it to be 16.9 for YouTube. So after I select the ratio, the next thing I did was to click on generate here. And now when I click on generate, it starts generating my image for me. And that is how I did, where I generated all you see I used for that video. That is how I did, and I generate all the images. Now these are all the images I generated. As you guys can see, these are all the images. My network is very slow. These are all the images. These are all the images because ChatGPT have already gave me every prompt I will use to generate those images. So as you can see, I just have to choose the one I want from this AI tool, which help me generate all the images. And to do this, all you have to be doing is just to go back to ChatGPT here, and you copy all this prompt and you bring it to this AI tool where it will be generating the image for you, and you are going to see all the images it generated for you like this. These are all what I use and the method I follow to generate all those images. Now, after I generated those images, the next thing I did was to turn these images to videos. And to do this, I use an AI tool which help me lip sync and which help me do the lip syncing for the guy to be singing the music just the way you see it at the beginning of this video. So I head over to Google again. Let me head over to Google and show you how I did it. Now I search for this AI to call one. You can see this AI to call one.video. One.video. This is the AI tool. Let me show you guys the AI tool. This AI tool here, and I click on it. And after I click on this AI tool, this is where I convert all my videos to images, all my images to video. This is where I convert all my videos to images to videos. Now click on continue. And so this AI tool will help you generate perfect music video with perfect lip syncing, just the way you see moment ago. So this is the AI tool which I used to do that. So after you successfully register on the AI tool, the next thing you are going to do is to click on these videos here. As you can see, you click on videos, and after you click on videos, you click on this frame here, and when you click on frame, you are going to upload the image you want to use. Now this is what I will do. Now the next thing I will do is to click on upload from device here, so that I can upload my image, the first image I want to use. Now let me upload one of the image and show you guys example, like this image right now where you were standing on the studio singing. Then I'll click on open. Then after I click on open, I'll upload the image. Now let's just give it some time, and it's going to upload the image here. Now it has successfully uploaded the image. As you guys can see, this is the image. Now the next thing I will do is to click here where I'll be uploading my music sound. Now I've already have the music on my laptop. Now the next thing I'll do is click on audio here, and I click on audio. It's going to take me to where I'll upload the music. I've already have the music on my phone, on my laptop. So let me take it to the music and upload the music. Now this is the music here, and I'll click on open. Now when you click on open, it's going to upload the music right now, as you can see, and it's going to tell you to trim the music to 15 seconds. As you can see, I have to trim the music to 15 seconds. So you need to have the music on your laptop and you trim it to 30 seconds, then you trim it to 50 seconds here. Now after you trim it, you click on confirm, and when you click on confirm, it's going to upload your. Now, all you have to do is to give it a description, how you want it to do, this image to do, how you want it to be doing. Now, the next thing I will do, I will just write a small video prompt. I will say singing and gesture and gesture. This is it. And after singing and hand gesture, and this is it. Then after that, the next thing you are going to do is to move down here, and you move down here, you are going to see this place where it says 12.6. You are going to be using 12.6. The next thing, you click on this aspect ratio here, and when you click on this aspect ratio, make sure you put it on 10 to 80p so that you get better result, and you put it on 15 seconds so that it will give you a perfect music video for 15 seconds for that person should be singing the music. Now after you successfully do all these things, the next thing you are going to do is to click on generate, and when you click on generate, it's going to start generating your videos for you. But it's going to take longer period of time because you are using free plan. But if you subscribe to the AI tool, it's going to do it very fast. And one thing about using a free plan is that when you save your video, after it successfully create your video for you, it's going to create it with watermark. You are going to download the video with watermark. So make sure you take note of that. Then if you want to also enhance the prompt, you can decide to choose that here. But if you have credit, maybe you subscribe, you are going to see your credit here. Now the next thing you are going to do is to click on generate, and is to start generating your video for you. So this is the method which I used to generate some part of the video where the guy was singing the music. And for some other part, I use Group AI to generate some other part. Yes, I use Group AI to generate some other part. Let me show you how I did that on Group AI also. Now this is Group AI, and I come to Imagine here. After clicking on Imagine, I click on Upload Image here. As you can see, I click here Attach, and I click on Upload. When I click on Upload, the next thing I did was to upload and I upload those images which are generated from the AI to. If you have been following my channel, I've shown you guys how you can use Grok AI to generate videos. So I upload those images and Grok AI help me to convert those images to video. As you can see, I convert those images to videos which I use for the music video. So after you successfully did everything together, the next thing you are going to do is to head over to your CapCut or your any of your video editing tool where you'll be adding up the videos together and you edit everything, and it's going to look perfect just the way my own is. So if you don't know how to do it or you are finding it difficult to do it, you let me know in the comment section of this video to explain much better, and I'm going to explain much better or do one-on-one class with you where I show you how I did everything entirely, the editing and everything. So now you guys have seen everything, how I created the full entire music video for free, from the music generation and the video generation, in fact everything for free. So if you find this video so helpful, I want you to like this video, comment and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, do wait to hit that subscribe button so that when I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on my next video.